New Year's English Idioms. Ring in. Definition: to celebrate the arrival of a special occasion, especially the New Year. For example, we will ring in the New Year with friends in New York. In other words, we will celebrate the arrival of the New Year with friends in New York. To turn over a new leaf. To make a fresh start. To improve one's behavior. For example, he turned over a new leaf and stopped smoking. In other words, he made a fresh start, improved his behavior, and stopped smoking. A clean slate. Definition: an opportunity to start fresh despite past mistakes. For example, I am moving to a new country for my job and looking to start with a clean slate. In other words, I am moving to a new country for my job and looking to start with a fresh start despite past mistakes. Out with the old and in with the new. Definition: to replace something old with something new. For example, this New Year, I have decided to get rid of my old clothes. Out with the old and in with the new. In other words, this New Year, I have decided to get rid of my old clothes, replace something old with something new. To kick a habit. Definition: to stop a habit, to quit doing something you often do. For example, he can't kick his habit of eating chocolate every night. In other words, he can't stop eating chocolate every night. To get the ball rolling. Definition: to begin a process, to start taking action. For example, sometimes the hardest part of starting a business is to get the ball rolling. In other words, sometimes the hardest part of starting a business is to begin the process, start taking action. To go cold turkey. Definition: to quit something, such as a bad habit, completely and without any assistance. For example, he tried to give up smoking by going cold turkey. In other words, he tried to give up smoking completely and without any assistance.